Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you how to replace values in Power BI using Power Query. This is one of the simplest way to fix data issues and make your report clean. Sometimes your data might have wrong entries like zero hyphens or null values in this. So instead of correcting them in Excel, you can easily fix them in Power BI itself. So let's see how we can fix this issue in today's video. So what we have to do, select the column in which you want to replace the values. Just right click and select replace values. Now it will ask you to value to find replace with. Now I'm going to replace the zeros here. Find 0, replace with some value, some text. Okay. Or let's see, we'll mention clean. Okay, now you can see here zeros. So now I'm going to replace these zeros. Click OK. The zeros have got replaced with a text that is clean. Okay, so you can see here all zeros are gone now. So let's try this again. Right click, replace values. This time I'm going to replace the hyphens here, right? So hyphens here. So hyphen, replace the hyphens with values. Two hyphens got replaced, value and value. Now let's do it one more time. Replace values. This time I'm going to replace the null with values. Click OK. Power BI will instantly replace it across the columns. As I showed, if you want to replace the null or a blank values, go to transform, replace values, value to find, type null or leave blank, replace with, type your desired value. For example, in a sales data file, you might have missing regions or spelling mistakes in country names. So this method fix it neatly before loading into Power BI. So that's how you can replace wrong or missing values easily in Power BI. Remember, clean data means accurate report.